Good morning, Jamaican Insider. Hope you're doing well. Right now it's 6 a.m. here in Jamaica. So I'm wishing you a very good morning. Hope you'll have a nice day. So right now I'm on not Old Hope Road, I'm on Hope Road. So in today's video, we'll be on Hope Road. So this is Hope Road Jamaica before. Right, this is Hope Road Jamaica before 7 a.m. As always, I hope you will enjoy this one. Carvalho Drive. Let's see what's here. As you can see, it's a cul-de-sac. Alright, now we're back onto Hope Road. The YMCA is on our right. To our left is Waterloo Road, also on our left. Let's have a quick look at Phoenix Avenue. Sports Development Foundation on our right. So Phoenix Avenue actually forms a horseshoe. this is somewhat of a plaza. Just give you an idea of the shops here. And what I remember, there is just salads, a Japanese restaurant called Sola, and a burger joint as well. The burger joint is right there on our right. Different types of burger can be had. And on our left is a real estate development that is currently being built. It's not completed as yet. Try to show you in a bit what it looks like. Anyway, that's it right there. Not much information is on the outside for that new development. We're continuing on Phoenix Avenue. We have the Jamaica Cultural Development Corporation on our right, JCDC, Phoenix Central here on our left, Cygnus and other financial companies can be found here. On our left is the Police Officers Club. Safe place to come and do some exercise. As you can see, it's gated. Security is always here, at least most of the times. In the mornings for sure, for persons who would like to come and exercise. There's a small fee to do so though. Coming up on our right is Arden Road. King's House on our left. Going by the Bob Marley Museum on our left. Mayfield Close. Never been on this road before, so let's see what it looks like. Not much, eh? Not much at all. All right, I'm going to end this one here for today. This is part 1 of Hope Road Jamaica before 7 a.m. Do stick around as part 2 is coming up. See the link in the description for part 2. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Jamaican Insider out.